Hey guys, so really Future Kevin here, coming to you first on this video. So editing the video, and I realized that this camera, while I really like the picture, doesn't have great image stabilization. So walking with this, I don't know, maybe it's the way I was holding it, was a little shaky. So I kind of sped those sections up doing this walking tour. So bear with me for those, and then I slowed down when I did when I was talking. So just bear that in mind that it's a little choppy. Maybe it's the way I was holding the camera, or it could be the fact that this camera just doesn't have good image stabilization. So on with the show. Hey guys, Future Kevin here. So I just wanted to preface this video coming up about it's a quick shopping trip to the only indoor mall that I think Vermont has. I don't believe there's one in southern Vermont. There was the Diamond Run in Rutland. I think that's closed as well. And I know Vermont isn't really known as a tourist destination to come shopping or for malls, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what there is for shopping here if you're looking for more of a kind of a mall area, or if you've got somebody who's going to be coming to UVM, attending the colleges, UVM, Champlain, St. Michael's. Just kind of gives you an idea of what there is or lack thereof. So it's going to be relatively short just based on the size of it. And right now is a really good time to go ahead and smash that like button. Help the old YouTube algorithm, so I hear. So anyways, let's get to the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Hey guys, so today I figured we'd do a walking tour of the University Mall. That's kind of the bigger shopping malls in Vermont. Once you see this though, you'll see that it's really not that big. So I'm not sure how loud the music's going to be. I may have to dub some music over, but let's go inside and take a tour. Okay, so when you first come in, that's the door that we were, that was in the background. You come in, you'll have Applebee's, will be over here, and then you have a Verizon store over here. And then when you walk in the main entrance, you've got Kohl's. It's going to be over here. And then we're going to go and follow to the right and see what we have for stores. So I figured I'd stop here. This is another entrance going to be down this hallway here. Bath and Body Works is going to be over here, and then that K Jewelers is there. So we are about a third of the way through the mall, I think. So let's keep on walking. Alright, so that's that other entrance I was talking about. Bath Body Works, K Jewelers, and then we're going to keep right on walking this way.
I get so pissed off. I want to go shopping.
Okay, so we are at the actual end of the mall. This is like a little micro Target that is back here, and we're going to turn around and walk back on the other side of the mall so you get an idea of what's there. I know that there is a Sears that is going to be closing, and I've seen quite a few empty storefronts in this mall, so let's continue. Well, that Sears is closed. Yep, they are done. There's another back entrance coming in. So we are now going to be venturing into the food court that every mall has. And on this side, they've got absolutely. So we're just going to pan around real quick. We've got the Roman Delight Pizza. There is an Asian restaurant. And that is it. And then there's a tropical yogurt stand right here. So there's only a couple of places to grab a bite to eat here. That is other than IHOP and Applebee's. Okay, we are right back where we started. Entrance that I came in is behind me, along with the Applebee's that you can see right back there. So that was one of the bigger malls in Vermont, maybe the only mall that I know of right now. So if you're going to come to Vermont, don't come for shopping. I mean, it's not known as a destination, but just give you an idea of what there is here for shopping. So. Alright, I would appreciate a big thumbs up, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. As always, thanks for watching, guys.